Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can check the live price of PiCoin. Also, if you guys want to know how you can sell your PiCoin, you can watch the video in the upper right corner, and I will also link that video at the end of this video. But now let's go ahead and check the live price of PiCoin. So first off, to check the price of PiCoin, you would need to go to the coinmarketcap.com, this website right here. Now, this website allows you to check the live price of any cryptocurrency out there. So to search for PiCoin, you would need to go to the search bar in the upper right corner and just search Pi. And here it is. So just be sure that you're on the right result, and you can check this by just checking the market cap. So the market cap needs to be around $11 billion. So once you find the real PiCoin, you can just go ahead and click on it. And here, once this data loads, you will be able to see the live chart of PiCoin. So I'm currently on the daily tab, but if you want to check the historic price of Pi, you can just click to all. And here is the all price history for the PiCoin. Also, a neat feature that you can use here is you can just type in how much Pi you have, so let's say 1000, and then you can recalculate that to US dollars to see how much your Pi is worth in US dollars. And that's guys how you can check the live price of PiCoin on CoinMarketCap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.